Hey, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this device. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling down. Then choose battery and performance over here. Now, in order to switch on performance mode, you need to choose performance next to balanced and click on OK in the pop-up. As you can see, high performance mode is now on. If you wish to turn it off, click on balanced or save battery. But you can also go into tab menu instead. Look for performance mode shortcut and click on it. If it's blue, that means that higher performance is now enabled. If you wish to disable it, just click on the same shortcut. One more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!